Hello, savvy investors and economic enthusiasts. It's Iggy from the Investing Iguana, bringing you insights from the heart of Singapore's dynamic economic landscape. Today, we're diving into an intriguing forecast for 2024, a year poised to witness Singapore's remarkable transition from a tourism triumph to a tech turnaround. With my years of experience analyzing economic trends and market dynamics, I'll unpack the layers of this fascinating development. We'll explore the expected expansion in the travel and tourism industry, the anticipated revival in manufacturing and trade-related sectors, and what these shifts mean for investors and businesses alike. Get ready to navigate through the intricate web of Singapore's economic fabric as we unravel the potential growth and challenges awaiting in 2024. Singapore's economic landscape is poised for a notable transformation in 2024, with a projected expansion of 1% to 3%. This positive shift is primarily driven by the resurgence of the travel and tourism sector, signaling a new chapter for the Lion City as it emerges from the shadows of the pandemic. The third quarter of 2023 witnessed Singapore's gross domestic product, GDP, climbing by 1.1% year-on-year, surpassing both initial estimates and the forecasts of financial experts. This growth, notably higher than the anticipated 0.7%, marks a significant uptick from the modest 0.5% increase recorded in the second quarter. On a quarter-on-quarter basis, the economy demonstrated a robust 1.4% growth, a stark contrast to the mere 0.1% rise in the preceding quarter. In light of these figures, the Ministry of Trade and Industry, MTI, has optimistically revised Singapore's GDP growth forecast for 2023 to around 1%, up from the previously estimated range of 0.5% to 1.5%. The MTI also provided insights into global economic trends, highlighting a potential moderation in growth for both the U.S. and the Eurozone due to the impact of ongoing monetary policy tightening. However, the U.S. economy has shown resilience, exceeding expectations set out in Singapore's economic survey in August. China's economy, on the other hand, may continue to face challenges. The MTI anticipates a further slowdown, primarily due to persistent issues in its property sector, dampened domestic consumption, and weaker external demand. Closer to home, the global electronics sector is still grappling with high inventory levels, impacting Singapore's manufacturing and trade-related industries. However, there's a silver lining. Signs indicate that this downturn may soon reach its conclusion. A notable factor in Singapore's economic resurgence is the booming air travel and tourism sectors, bolstering aviation and accommodation industries. Additionally, the city-state's resilient labor market is expected to buoy consumer-facing sectors, including retail and food and beverages. Looking ahead to 2024, a potential shift in focus from services back to goods could occur as the heightened post-pandemic demand for services begins to wane. This rebalancing, alongside a normalization of inventory levels, is likely to catalyze a revival in global manufacturing, particularly benefiting Singapore's electronics and precision engineering sectors. The wholesale trade sector is also forecasted to gain momentum, fueled by a resurgence in global demand for electronic components and telecommunications equipment. Should global interest rates start to stabilize in 2024, the finance and insurance sectors in Singapore are anticipated to experience a modest recovery. Despite expecting a slowdown in GDP growth in the U.S. and Eurozone during the first half of 2024, the MTI is optimistic about a rebound in the latter half of the year. Conversely, China's growth is projected to remain subdued, with 2024 potentially being more challenging than 2023, especially in its property sector. As we look ahead to 2024, we're seeing a mixed but cautiously optimistic landscape. Singapore's economy is expected to expand by 1% to 3%, driven largely by the recovery in the travel and tourism sector. This is great news for stocks in these industries. We're talking about airlines, hotels, and related service industries. Companies in these sectors could see a significant uptick in revenues as international travel regains momentum. For investors, this presents potential growth opportunities, especially in stocks that have been undervalued during the pandemic. On the other hand, we've got the manufacturing and trade-related sectors. While these sectors have faced challenges, there's a sense that the downturn might be bottoming out. This could be a pivotal point for investors. If you're looking at stocks in electronics, precision engineering, and wholesale trade, keep a close watch. These industries might be poised for a rebound, especially with global manufacturing activity and electronics demand expected to improve. But let's not forget the potential challenges. The global economic environment remains uncertain, with potential moderation in growth in the U.S. and the Eurozone. This could impact export-driven sectors in Singapore. Moreover, the ongoing weakness in China's property sector and domestic consumption might also affect Singapore's export-oriented businesses. Investors should be wary of these external factors and consider diversifying their portfolios to mitigate risks. Financial stocks also warrant attention. If global interest rates start to moderate in 2024, we could see some recovery in the finance and insurance sector. However, this will depend on broader global economic trends, so a cautious approach is advisable. In conclusion, for Singapore stocks in 2024, the key is to focus on sectors that are directly benefiting from the economic recovery, particularly travel and tourism. At the same time, keep a diversified portfolio to buffer against uncertainties in the global market. As always, do your due diligence and stay informed about the latest developments. And there you have it, folks, a comprehensive analysis of Singapore's economy as we head into 2024. From the resurgence in tourism to the promising upswing in tech and manufacturing sectors, Singapore is standing at the cusp of exciting times. As someone who's spent years delving into market trends and economic forecasts, I believe understanding these shifts is crucial for anyone looking to invest or grow their business in this vibrant city-state. Remember, the landscape of opportunity is ever-changing, and staying informed is key to navigating it successfully. If you found this breakdown helpful, don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe to the Investing Iguana for more insightful content, and share your thoughts in the comments below. Until next time, keep investing smartly and stay ahead of the curve.